You ready for your road test?
Yep. Let's put the hearing aids on.
Okay.
My bad, I just had to fill their Kongs up with peanut butter before I left.
That's okay. Your dogs are in the house?
I'll still like get mad at them.
Mine, I had to put him in his cage there this morning because the landlord's coming over and he loses his mind. So he's not a happy camper this morning. The peanut butter should keep them busy for a while though. Yep, ready? Yeah.
Like without the peanut butter, you're just a treat, they get mad. But if they get the peanut butter, I can leave, no problem.
Yeah. Yeah, he likes those things too.
In the morning, it's less bad. They don't get too mad. But it's like, let's say I come after work and I leave like an hour after. And he's like, hey, where's my walk? Where's my attention?
They got that attitude, eh?
Yeah.
What kind of dog is it again?
It's a Vizsla, so it's like a pointer dog.
Oh yeah.
Like you need a lot of like human attention.
Yeah. Mine's a little Shih Tzu, but he thinks he's a big dog. He rolls with the big dogs. He doesn't like little dogs.
No.
Nope. He doesn't know his own size. He's so funny, man.
The Vizsla, he's getting like, he's 8 years old now.
Yeah, that's.
And then we have another one. It's called a Weimaraner. It's the same like family. So there's 3 dogs in the pointer family. There's the German Shorthair Pointer, then the Vizsla, and the Weimaraner. So let's say they see something, they'll point their tail at it.
Cool.
Hunting dog. That way?
Yeah. The Shih Tzus were they were bred for the emperor, the Chinese emperor, to warm his feet.
Oh yeah. I remember seeing that somewhere.
And it's weird because he'll sleep at our feet. So we're heading over to the road test area.
Okay.
And I'll take you on a route that I know that they use frequently. 9 times out of 10, and you'll see, man, it's so easy.
Okay.
You're getting dropped off at work, okay?
Yeah. Yesterday I did so much at work. I had to take off the snow out of like 100 cars, and they haven't done it in a week. So my buddies after, they're like, "Oh, you want to go do something?" I'm like, "No."
Yeah, right.
Home and napping.
After that, yeah. Did you move any cars around?
Yeah.
Yeah, right on.
Bunch of new ones.
That's good. Like the newer models, or?
Yeah. Like they got loaded from the transports.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna take Melly.
Okay.
Yeah, the landlord's bringing the electrician over this morning there to...
Okay. Yeah, your dog would go nuts.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you, my dryer blew up there the other day.
Really?
Oh, man. Sitting in the living room, all of a sudden you hear this like a loud snap sort of thing, right? And the dryer stopped working. And I go to unplug it, and the prong was like, it was burning hot to the touch. And I'm like, what the heck? Let it cool down, unplug it. One of the prongs is completely burnt, and some of the rubber around the prongs is all burnt. And I'm like, holy crap, man, that's like a dryer fire or something, or electrical fire. So, kind of, it's a house from the 1960s, and all the wiring is old.
Yeah.
It's friggin' scary, man. You don't want a house fire. I've had issues like that in the house before. Two of the outlets were there was burn marks on the where you plug it in.
Yeah.
Apparently it was.
You want me to switch lanes?
Yeah, sure.
I'm pissed I'm pissing off.
It's okay. Yeah, there were burn marks, and the electrician had to come over, and there was some sort of a surge or whatever, and okay.
At least it's not you paying for it, it's the landlord.
Yeah. But now my dryer's not working, I have to get a new dryer.
Oh yeah. It's not the landlord's one?
Well, hopefully, like, if it's an electrical problem, which I believe it is, he'll have to replace it. He'll have to replace the dryer. Or my insurance might just cover it, like the contents insurance. So
Yeah. It's not cheap a dryer.
We're gonna turn left at the roundabout up here. Right on.
So I only have the one tomorrow that I'm done at.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, y'all done tomorrow.
That went pretty quick.
Yeah. Yeah, and if like
And do you book the appointment, or do I get my mom to book it?
you book the appointment,
Okay.
or your mom, and you can do that online as well. You just go to the drive test. What is it? drivetestcenter.ca, and there's a button there. Book your road test.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really easy. Gives you the all the times and the dates that are available, and you just click on it, and you're booked.
At least they're not backed up now.
Yeah, you'll get your road test probably in mid-January, I'd say.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, we'll turn right over here on Woodbine. Going straight down to the end. This used to be a corner store over here.
Oh, okay.
I lived in some apartment buildings down Agent Court.
Yeah.
And that's where I would go get my the movies, the VHS movies.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Back in the day.
I miss going to, like, I remember, like, going with my dad, going to pick out a movie from the store, renting it.
Was it the, I guess it was the discs?
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, it was the big clunky old
Yeah.
VHS.
The movies.
Left turn here.
The movie store feeling where you just get popcorn too.
Oh yeah, the like Blockbuster.
Yeah,
I missed
kinda.
that too.
Yeah. It was pretty busy like before.
Yeah. It was popular.
Yeah.
Yeah, times change. And we're gonna make a right turn. I remember when Beta came out.
Data?
Before
Oh, yeah.
before VHS, we had the Beta. We're gonna make a right
Beta.
turn here. Yeah, Beta players. It was. They looked like the VHS tapes, but it was. I guess it would be the difference between like Commodore 64, I guess, and Windows 95. Like it's like an upgrade. The VHS was an upgrade from the Beta. And then everybody was upset that they were moving to the VHS because everybody bought all the equipment they needed for Beta.
That was the thing back in the day. Like you bought equipment for everything. Then if they switched it, like it's no more good.
Yeah.
And it was expensive too.
Yeah, and it was like almost every year things were changing. So, you know. We're gonna make a left turn here at the intersection up here. Have you seen the new Avatar movie yet?
So I was gonna talk to you about. I wanted to go see it last night, but it started at 10.
Oh, jeez.
And I didn't want to get back at like 1:30.
Yeah, no kidding. It's like 3 hours long.
Yeah. So I might go see it tonight.
Yeah.
But you have to get it D-box if you want the full experience. Apparently.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You have to get it at least 3D. I just asked
No
them.
problem. Yeah, you can. Sure.
Oh.
Just be careful. Maybe somebody might be coming out of this roadway here. No problem. Okay, let's turn into the road test center here.